McKenzie Arena. McKenzie Arena, also called the Roundhouse, is the primary basketball arena for the University of Tennessee at Chattanooga, UTC, in Chattanooga in the U.S. state of Tennessee. It replaced Maclellan Gymnasium, a 4,177-seat gymnasium now used for women's volleyball and wrestling. Originally called UTC Arena, it was renamed McKenzie Arena on February 21, 2000 in honor of athletics supporters Toby and Brenda McKenzie of Cleveland, Tennessee. The arena opened on October 8, 1982. It was designed by Campbell and Associates Architects with David J. Moore as the on-site architect/construction administrator. The first season included a visit by then defending NCAA national champion North Carolina Tar Heels, a team which included Michael Jordan, Brad Daugherty, and Sam Perkins. The arena hosted the 2005, 2009, and 2011 Men's Southern Conference Basketball Tournament and the 2005, 2009, and 2011 Women's Tournament Championship game. In addition to basketball, the arena has hosted many ice shows, rodeos, circuses, truck rallies, and wrestling events. The arena is also home to UTC Department of Intercollegiate Athletics. The arena also hosted the 2006 TSSAA State Wrestling Tournament. The arena can also accommodate concerts, with a 64 by stage and capacities of 7,463 for side stage shows, 9,107 in stage and 11,557 center stage shows, ice shows, circuses, and even monster truck rallies. The arena floor dimensions are 151.6 by 180.19. The arena hosted WCW Halloween Havoc in 1991 and the 13th WWF In Your Highest pay-per-view In Your Highest 13 Final Four in 1997. It also hosted Clash of the Champions Roman IV, the first Clash of Champions event produced by WCW. World Wrestling Entertainment continues to hold matches at the arena. In 2011, Winter God International made its first trip to McKenzie for the first annual WGA Mid-South Percussion Championship. Terrell Owens also hosted his own induction ceremony into the Pro Football Hall of Fame here on August 4, 2018.